Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Panda. I'm in Williamsburg, and I just got a package for Sunwayfoto, so take it with a grain of salt. I'm going to do this quick unboxing, because some people out in the streets are not, aware of the surroundings. Here's the box. Here's some styrofoam that came in the box. I might want to use this for something. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Sunwayfoto M3 Micro Slip Slide Rail. This is what this is. So take everything what you're hearing with a grain of salt. And I'm just unboxing this for the very first time. It's been here for a while, but I'm just going to try to get this over with in the public. So in the box comes with 3/8 adapters and an alley wrench and a microfiber cloth that says Sunwayfoto. I've been waiting for one of these, actually. This is the device or the tool that you will be using when you're doing micro sliding photography or micro photography, astrophotography, whatever you use this item for. There's a manual and booklet that explains what this device does and can do, and you can add other accessories to it, as you can see in the back. Alright? And the box also is the slider itself. Ooh, that's smooth. And I believe this is a carrying cloth. Oh, this is a nice one too. Oh, wow. Look at that one. You see that, everybody? That's a nice... Wait. Put this to the side. You see that? That's a nice carrying case for this. But look at this. This is smooth. Oh, this is really nice. So I'm replacing my newer 140 with this. Isn't it slick? And yes, this is Arc Swiss compatible. And, oh, I like that. Oh, look how smooth that is. Oh. Just to show you guys the whole entire product. Looks nice, doesn't it? It has also 3/8 and quarter threads as well. There's a bubble lever. There's a meter that goes up to 220 meters. Yes, this is a 220 meter micro rail slider. And this is called the M3. Pretty nice. The build quality is sickly insane. Look at that back. Just clean. And you can tell by the parts, it's literally built very well. I cannot wait to try this. But other than that, everybody, it came with this nice Sunwayfoto cloth. I really like the bag style. Oh, the bags are getting better and better. Oops, just dropped that on the floor. But I digress, everyone. But with that said, everyone, yeah, this is nice. And yeah, quite expensive. Well, not expensive, but like for something like this, you should be roughly paying about $100 for something like this. The build quality is insane. But I digress. With that said, everyone, this is Panda. This has been an unboxing of the Sunwayfoto micro rail slider called the M3. And this is going to be my new slider. Get rid of the newer one. With that said, everyone, eat, seek, photography, videography, repeat, and the public. Talk to you guys next one. See ya.